Hi there, students. Commodious, an adjective, means large and roomy, with lots and lots of space. So the hotel room was commodious and there was plenty of space. It was about 25 square meters. We moved into this new commodious house that has an enormous living area. The classroom was commodious and allowed the students to move about freely. So commodious, large and comfortable. A commodious room has a lot of space. Um, the igloo was a commodious room in which we spent time outside. So commodious, with lots of space, as opposed to the opposite, incommodious, uncomfortable, inconveniently small. So commodious, having ample space, very comfortable and large, for particularly suitable for a particular use or a purpose. A commodious room for my hobbies. So commodious, suitable and handy, spacious and convenient. It's about spaciousness, a large capacity, larger than average, and it's comfortable, it's roomy and comfortable, and it's suitable, it's adapted to the specific needs and purposes. So it's spacious because it's got a lot of space. It's capacious. It holds lots of things. It's ample. It's larger, or it's a large size. It's very adequate. The house has commodious wardrobes, a commodious penthouse suite. So commodious, an adjective, having a lot of space, comfortable with a lot of space. This comes from Middle English, commodious, from Anglo-Norman, commodius, from medieval Latin, commodiosus. So com, with, and modus, measure, with manner. So it's got a good space. I think it's about living space. Our house is much more commodious than our old apartment. I told them I wished to rent a furnished house, not too near the town, commodious enough to allow for two separate suites of rooms, a commodious apartment, big terraces of commodious houses. Okay, so commodious, large and comfortable. Their new car was incredibly commodious, with ample legroom and storage space. The cruise ship had commodious cabins with beautiful ocean views. The office space provided was quite commodious, making it comfortable for all employees. The commodious garden was perfect for hosting outdoor parties and events. The restaurant had a commodious dining area. Okay, so commodious, large, roomy, and comfortable. It's a formal word, usually used to describe a building or a room or a vehicle that has lots of space. Roomy, spacious, comfortably large. The car has a commodious boot that holds all our luggage. She relaxed in a soft, commodious armchair in the library. They moved into a commodious house that had room for everyone. The house measures a commodious 400 square meters. Passenger space is commodious, in both front and rear seats. A piece of furniture is commodious, a commodious armchair. Commodious seating at the stadium for lots and lots of people. So comfortable, convenient, spacious, roomy, a commodious closet. Formality. This is a more formal word. I'd give this a 7 in formality. Used in a semi-formal writing or something more formal. Frequency of use, low. I would say, yeah, low frequency. So commodious. Bye for now.